Did I catch that fight? Did you see that fight? Yeah, please fight. Oh, they were fighting. Oh my God, they were fighting. Regan Smith versus Ty Dillon. Why didn't the officials let them fight? Let them fight. Oh my God, they were fighting. I want to see a replay. Can we please? Oh yeah, right. Regan Smith. Look, Ty Dillon just down to Regan. I actually forgot what Regan Smith's face looked like until now. That's what his face looked like. Look at this.
I'll get whatever you want. Describe what you were trying to do on that restart time.
This is such a pussy fight. Wow, barely threw any punches. Stop grabbing on his shirt like a freaking idiot. What are you, gay? Regan Smith is gay, officially confirmed. Stop pulling on his shirt like an idiot. You look like a fool. How about you punch him? I mean, they barely do punches. They're freaking fools. Look at this fool. That's his face. Who's this? Who is this recording him? Who are you? You can bring out the picture. You better get your little old lady glasses out the way. Who are you? Oh yeah, you're right. Look at this. I don't even care Joey Logano won. I don't care. I don't even care that Joey Logano won. It's just that this was fun.